Hello, everyone. This is Sahana for Elite Expertise. I am here today with Priyanka, who's a super mom who cleared her CATS exam in the very first attempt. Let's get to know about Elite Expertise first, and we'll talk to Priyanka about her success story. Elite Expertise is an online platform which trains all the pharmacists who wants to work overseas, like CAPS for Australia, PBC Australia as well. We have launched PTE course too, so do check out our website for more details. So let's get back to Priyanka. Hi Priyanka, how are you?
Yeah, good. What about you?
Yeah, good. Yeah, I'm great. So you being a super mom, how did this? Congratulations, firstly, on your success of CAPS in the very first attempt. So how did you manage your kid and preparing for the exam and everything?
Like, firstly, I was thinking it's too tough for me, but via this platform, it's possible to get success. Especially thankful to Arif sir and Harika ma'am, which make it possible for me. They are good motivational person they are in my life. So yeah, exactly. Like I don't know like how it happened suddenly. I never expected. From my this journey it's hard, as a working woman and mother, everything, all responsibilities are there. But yeah, throughout like in my journey they are very helpful, and they are like they are good to me like in this stage, because I have no idea. Like previously I was in student visa, so I have done my masters in computer, so I was confusing, like it's very confusing for me to go in which line and whatever, but I have experience, so I just talked with one of my friend, and she told me like better with go with your experience and just join Elite Expertise. So yeah, so like during like in this period it's hard for me, and once I just pinged Harika ma'am personally about this, like I have a kid and all stuff like on my shoulder, it's very hard for me. And she just say to me like, don't worry Priyanka, so we are with you, stay touch with us and follow us whatever like we will tell you, and just enjoy your classes, and regular live sessions, just attend those things, and I just follow those things, nothing else, I just follow anything. So yeah, that would be great thing which I have experienced in my life. Thank you. This is the main story of my life. But like if we are with them, I like proudly say like we are in right track at this moment.
I totally am totally with you because I've spoken to so many students who say the same thing. You know, they boost up your confidence so much that you clear your exam in the very first attempt. There's a concept that they give to the students that that helps them in their exam. So, what was the toughest part for you in the examination? Like, was it calculation? What was it chemistry? What is the toughest part for you?
For me, I like never say everything is not possible for me. But as when I just attended my exam, I got like calculations are a bit tougher for me, because like they just change the sense, and they just modify the question. And at that time, like I was confused, like what's the formula I have to use on that time. So like as I just see the options there, and I just make the estimation, like I just apply this formula, like because they are giving those like words, that's digits, and I just put on the formula, and nearby estimation I make the the right answer. So I don't know how, but it's done.
Yeah, nice. So, how did Elite help you with these tough areas? How did the concept from Elite expertise from Arif and Harika help you with this calculation, chemistry, and all of the suitics and all of this?
Yeah, exactly, like if I told like they are going to help us in a very good manner, and they via this platform, like they give us conceptual based questions and everything they discuss in the classes, in the live sessions. Like if I have a doubt, I just like directly talk to them, and straight away they give the answers, and they provide the mocks which are like valuable in this like platform. Like if we are going to follow those, I think that would be like the things which are like they support us in the exam. Like previously they said, like, just follow those mocks and all stuff. If you don't know the concept, don't worry, you can start from the beginning, like through the starting of this course. And rather being like, if we are going to do those mocks, I think that 50% are coming from those mocks, no doubt.
Wow. So you mean to say the course is so comprehensive that each and every person of you will understand the concept so well that it becomes easy for you in the examination while you're doing your all the questions in the examination. So
Yeah.
since you brought up the topic of mocks, I really want to understand how many mocks have you done? Were the mocks helpful? How was the situation with the mocks? Initially how many, and later on stages, what was your strategy for your exam? How did you prepare?
Like initially, like how the like that our teachers are saying to us, just do the mocks. If you don't know the concept, don't worry. So we are going to discuss those mocks in the last classes, or last after the the main session. So they are going to taught us, and whatever we are like at that time, it's initially I got like 25 or 29 hardly marks. So I was thinking I was not good for like to pass this, and I just make postpone my exam at that time. But rather being like, started to do those mocks, and later on when the time being come, so they are going to discuss those mocks like a story, so that at that time that concepts are going to clear. So it's possible like I just succeed this exam, because in the starting I have no idea what's the concept behind that thing. But when they are going to
Yes.
teach us in the classes, so like I don't know how they just taught us, like story is going to come in our mind at that time. So like at last, like during
Yeah.
exam for like before one day I haven't studied anything. Like at that time I thought everything is
Okay.
mixing like a juice in our mind. So Harika ma'am, she told to us like,
Yeah.
don't worry, at the time of screening you got your that answers, because you really did well. Because from 6 months, you are going to prepare everything, and at last time I know that's the situation where the all syllabus are going to be mixed up, and chemistry and everything. So it's very hard at that time to keep everything in our mind, so that throughout the mocks, like everything is there, they are mixing questions, so you don't expect like this is the chemistry part, this is the physics part. So it's very easy to us in the screening time as well to do those mocks, and exam clear.
Okay. So you were telling me these stories would come up into your brain while you're doing the examination. What are these stories? Can you tell a little bit about that part of it?
I remember the 40 chairs 40 chairs story of a ANS.
Okay. So was it Haru? Who was it?
So that's the Harika ma'am. She told us during parasympathetic system and sympathetic system, they like pretty sure to differentiate those things at that time. So I just learn those like ideas from that story. Yeah,
Yeah, these
exactly. So
concepts.
these things, when we are kid, like we are going to say that's the car. So like if we saying that's the car, like they not understood that thing. So if we are going to be bit funnier, like there are four tires like that. So if we explore more, that story is coming in our mind, and they are staying like a lot of for a longer time.
Yeah. So she brings up all these funny stories. This is what I heard from many of the students. And what about Arif? How was Arif's class?
Yeah,
Was it
that's also
interactive?
like,
How?
yeah, exactly. But at the time of
Sorry to
session,
cut.
if someone like interrupting him, like they like the concentration is going to be distract. So like after session and everything, he also like doing the same things. Like if we are we are going to discuss, they are going to tell a story, like, yeah, that's the story. Now it's keep in your mind, so don't worry to forget those points.
So first he should explain you all the concept. Then, from a story perspective, he should tell you
Yeah,
how to
exactly.
remember these things.
Yeah,
That's great.
exactly.
That yeah. So, from what I understand, the course was really comprehensive for even the beginner to understand and prepare themselves for the courses. Did you feel low before the exam? What was your status? Did you feel confused? Should I take it? Should I not take it? What was your status before the exam?
Like in between, like at the mid, I was thinking to postpone my exam, but when I just clear my concepts and all stuff, then I feel like confident to do now and crack this exam anyhow. I know, like if we are delayed on those points, so it will be like hard for us to be scared at this platform, like how we happen, like at the end, can we pass or no, and like with the positive motivational thoughts from ma'am and sir, it would be great. I think like they are saying they are not making us feel low at this time, and they are like bring our hand and say no, you can do it. So that would be good thing. I thought like previously I was discussed these things to the ma'am. I think her that personally, like as being mom, it's hard for me to make my time with you. It's very difficult, and she told me, don't worry, Priyanka, that's the time we even experience. So better in the free time you just make those points, and through through listening our lecture, whenever you're doing some kitchen work or anything, just on that sessions, and just listening, like enjoy the lessons like this, and you will really realize like you got your points, and you are success at this time. So that's the positive things which I got from them, and it's very supportive at this time. It's very hard, Sahana, like I can't say like we can't do anything. We are going to be proud with the future aspirants as well, like this, like if we are with them. Yeah.
Yeah, true. I totally understand because Harika, being a mom herself, she totally gets the pulse of the other moms, and she does whatever she can to boost your energies. Not only Harika, Arif is quiet into this too. It was so nice talking to you, Priyanka. I just have one last question for you. How much would you suggest or recommend Elite expertise to the other CAPS aspirants?
I really recommended to the future like aspirants to stay touch with the end, like till your like final stage. I think so because I'm with them at my till like last end of this target. So yeah, highly recommend them for to just stay touch with them, and really just rated 5 points. If more, then I will give them all.
You are being very generous. Sorry.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
so you were there with us for the internship as well, is what I understood from your
Yeah, exactly.
conversation.
After
Thank
after
you.
after
Yeah.
passing my internship, and after that as well.
Thank you so much for all the confidence that you have in Elite expertise. Harika and Arif will stay in touch with you till the last moment, and we at Elite Expertise will provide all the support that you need to aspire for your aspirations to be true in the future. Thank you so much. It was so nice talking to you. Your energy will spread into other CAPS aspirants as well, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Sahana. Thank you, Light Team.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye.